Welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you so much for supporting us.
So today we're going to show you how to do a knot braid on a ponytail. So let's get started.
You want to make sure that the hair is wet for this style. You don't have to do anything up here, but I already went ahead and gave her a little bit of a texture by doing a little French braid up here. So we're going to focus on the tail. So your first step is to go back here, right in the middle, right here in the middle, back here. You want to take a little small section of the hair, smooth it out, and then again, you're going to do the same thing. Take another small section right here. Okay, so now you have a strand on each side. You're going to take it together. You don't have to put any product in her hair, but I like to use some gel just to control the flyaways as well as to have better grip. Anything I mention in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to smooth them out. This is just like tying a regular shoelace. So you're just going to cross it over and pull it tight. Now you're going to hold it with your thumb. You're going to take clips and have it hold in place, these strands right here. You're going to do the same thing again. You're going to take another section in the back, bring it forward, and then do the same thing. Bring it forward. So again, I'm going to slide this down a little bit. I'm going to go and smooth it out and put a little bit of gel. Now you can put gel ahead of time on the whole entire ponytail, but it kind of makes this ponytail a little too stiff. So I'm just going to put it on the strands individually. Okay, and just cross over and pull through and tight. Again, I'm going to just have the clips hold in place and then continue to do this going down. So your goal is to make knots all the way down and it kind of looks like a ladder effect. Okay? Again, take it from the back, smooth it out, cross over, and knot it. You're just going to continue going down. So I'm just going to stop right here and I'm going to go ahead and just secure them right here with an elastic band. And I'm going to go back over and then just fix it and tighten it or loosen it however I like it. Just going to go ahead and put a little clip just to hide that elastic band. You can go back over and fix your knots. A little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
To check out more of our tutorials, click over there and there.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
We love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!
Bye.